Hello guys, I have created a demo, a working prototype for my diabetes prediction. So let me introduce to you all the modules of Python from the very top to the bottom. You can see it. Okay, Numpy. Numpy is a powerful tool that helps you work with numbers and big grids of number, that is array of numbers. It is used when we want to do math with lots of data, like adding columns of numbers, finding averages, and so on. Now another Pandas. Panda is like Excel for Python. It lets you organize and work with data in tables called data frames. Data frame. Now another is sklearn. Now this is a machine learning model that helps computer make decisions. Now let me introduce to you random forest classifier. It is an AI algorithm that creates a decision tree, multiple decision tree, and the decision trees which have the highest spot are chosen. And another is train and test split. It is a function to split our data into training and testing sets. This is used for separating some data for testing purpose. Another we have accuracy score and classification report. These tools measure how good our model is. Accuracy and classifier report. Another is standard scaler. It standardizes your data so that each number in the same scale are in the same scale. For example, between -1 to 1, all data will be in the same scale. It will be normalized. It will be in standard form. And another we have is F classif and select k-based. This helps us choose the most important feature column in the data. Now another we have is job library, a tool to save your models once it's trained, meaning you don't have to train it again and again. It saves your time, it saves your effort. Then another we have is transformer. It is a library for AI that understands text like ChatGPT, but it is a smaller version. Then we have pipeline. Think of it like an all-in-one tool, a magic box that takes it in a sentence and give you the result. Then we have auto tokenizer. Computer doesn't understand English like we do. Auto tokenizer breaks up that sentence into tiny numbers, pieces, tokens that a model understands. It's like translating English into robot language. Then another we have is auto model for sequence classification. This is the brain, a pre-trained AI model that tells if text is positive or negative. So that's it, guys.